There's only one arising at a time. Its background is the now, and that is the truth. Projection is inside out from this background of the now. A wave always arises from the ocean. Yes, obviously, if projection is inside out, its perception also has to follow the same route, has to be inside out. Then the wave recedes back into the same ocean. The projection dissolves, its perception also dissolves. But my mistake is I hold on to the story that I create out of this projection perception. Nice train of all arisings, I create the memory and then I hold on to it. It's a lot of work you are doing. Do you see this? Unnecessary work of holding on to memory. That is the chit chat in your mind. You say, there's so much going on. It's not the natural arisings that are coming out of the impressions that are so much. It is your identification, holding on to it, not seeing the truth that it is an arising. It is your creation of the story which is held on as memory. That is the chit chat, that is the bombardment. You are doing this to yourself because you relish in the stories. And mind you, you don't relish only in positive stories, you relish in negative stories also. Be honest with yourself. Oh, yes. And why do you relish in these stories? Because the I thought that has come up, the I sense that has come up out of the darkness of deep sleep, knows that it is nothing. It knows that it is the darkness of deep sleep. It knows that it does not have an individual existence. That knowledge is there. It does not telling you something you don't know. But that I wants to emphasize its existence. It wants to believe in its lies, no? To believe in its lies, it's holding on to every arising and weaving a memory story. It's this memory story that you keep repeating to yourself. You relish in it. You keep talking to it. You talk to the story. And you build the story more and more and more and more and more. That is the problem. Yes. Why are you building it? Because you don't want to accept the truth of being nobody. That is the last cause there.